Hey guys, welcome back to Jarrett the Journeyman. Today we're going to show you guys what Plasti-Bond is. There's a lot of questions about what is Plasti-Bond and how we use it. So we're going to show you that here shortly. So hold on. All right guys, on this rack we've got some Plasti-Bond that we've used, and all Plasti-Bond really is it's, if you can see right here, this is just rigid metal conduit, and it has a PVC plastic coating on it on the outside. And if you look on the inside too, this red is also PVC plastic coated. We use it in corrosive environments so that the conduit can last a little bit longer. And we have all kinds of sizes here. Little stuff here. Now compared to EMT, see how this EMT is already starting to get corroded inside. We're gonna have to get rid of that due to that rust and contaminant already inside. There is no protective coating on it. This is just steel that's exposed. Then here you have your PVC, and it's just, this looks like a Schedule 80 as thick as it is. Just regular PVC. But on this Plasti-Bond, it's a little bit different. You've got PVC and metal steel in here. Now to thread these, you have to remove, sometimes you have to scrape off this protective coating if your dies aren't machined enough to get over this for the threads to attach. Other machines do have the capability of coming on and cutting this prior to threading. As the threader goes on, it also cuts this. Another thing you have to be careful of is when you're bending it or putting it in a shoe of the bender, you can scar it up. So they do make some tape, or you have a spray paint application of this plastic that will protect it again. So there's a little quick rundown of Plasti-Bond and its use and locations compared to PVC or EMT. So thanks for watching guys, and as always, be safe out there.